Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from TalentUpskill. Class 6 English version math. Exercise 2.1. Problem number 3. Fill in the gaps of the following equivalent ratios. A. 2:3 equals to 8:2. There is a gap or the empty box here we have to fill in. Let us start with A. 2:3 equals to, when the first quantity is 8, what is the second quantity? So 2:3 equals to, we can write 2 by 3. The first quantity goes up as numerator and the second quantity comes down as denominator, equals to make it 8 we have to multiply by 4. 2 into 4 is 8. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator so that the value of the fraction or the ratio doesn't change. So we have to multiply 3 also by 4, equals to 8 by 12. So we got the answer. When the first quantity is 8, the second quantity is 12. Similarly, we will do B. 5:6. 5:6. We know 5:6 means 5 by 6 equals to. We have to find out the first quantity when the second quantity is 36. Second quantity is 36 means 6 has to be multiplied by 6 to make it 36. So it is 5 into 6 equals to 5 into 6 is 30. Second quantity is 36 equals to 30 is to 36. So when second quantity is 36, the first quantity is 30. Here for A the answer was 12. The empty box was 12 and that is the answer. For B the answer is 30. 30. C. 7 is to empty box equals to 42 is to 54. We have to find the value of this blank or the gap. So if we change the side, we can write 42 is to 54 equals to 42 is to 54 equals to 7 is to gap. We have to find the value of this gap. We just change the side. Changing the side. Now first quantity is 42 here and here first quantity is 7. We have to find out when first quantity is 7, what is the value of second quantity. So let's start from left side. 42 is to 54 equals to 42 by 54 equals to, if we want to make the first quantity 7, what we have to do? We have to divide 42 by 6. So 42 divided by 6. So since we divided 42 by 6, we have to divide 54 by 6. Why? So that the value doesn't change. Equals to, this is 7 and this has to be 9. Equals to 7 is to 9. So we got the answer. When the first quantity is 7, the second quantity is 9. So 9 is the answer. Now D. The blank is to 9 equals to 63 is to 81. We can change the side and write 63 is to 81 equals to, the box is to 9. So we have to find out when the second quantity is 9, what is the value of first quantity. Let us start from the left side. 63 is to 81 equals to 63 by 81. So second quantity has to be 9. So to make it 9, we have to divide 81 by 9. So 81 divided by 9. We have to divide 63 also by 9, so that the values doesn't change. Equals to 7 by 9 equals to 7 is to 9. So when second quantity is 9, the first quantity is 7. So the answer is 7. Let us solve the next question, question number 4. The ratio of breadth and length of a hall room is 2:5. Putting the possible values of length and breadth in the gaps. Gaps means here the blank box. Complete the following table. Here the given ratio of breadth and length is 2:5. How does the hall room looks like? The whole room looks like this. And this is breadth, and this is length. And when breadth is 2, the length is 5. So the given ratio is 2:5. 2:5 means 2 by 5. When 2 is 10, the 5 is 25. Similarly, when 5 is 50, what will be the value of 2 or the first number? So to find this out, let us get 50 here. So how we get 50? 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. 5 multiplied by 10. This is 50. So that the ratio's value or the fraction's value doesn't change, we have to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by same number. So we have to multiply 2 by 10 also, equals to 20 by 50. So when the length is 50, the breadth is 20. When the breadth is 40 or the first number is 40, what is the value of the second number? We start from the ratio. 2:5 means 2 by 5. The first number has to be 40, equals to multiply by 20. 2 multiplied by 20 is 40. So we got 40. But we have to multiply 5 also by same number, means 20, equals to 40 by 100. So we got the answer here. This has to be 100. Next, the length or the second number is 200. Let us start from the ratio. 2:5 equals to 2 by 5 equals to, means the denominator has to be 200. How we do that? We multiply by 40. So multiply 2 also by 40 so that the value doesn't change, equals to 80 by 200. So we got the answer. This is 80. Next, when the first number is 160, what will be the second number? Start from ratio 2:5 equals to 2 by 5 equals to, the first number has to be 160. If we multiply 2 by 80, this becomes 160. So we have to multiply 5 also by 80, equals to 160 by 400. We got the answer. This has to be 400. You have to draw a box like this one here. So let us draw breadth of hall room. And here length of hall room. The first quantity was 10 and 25. 10, 25. Let's draw the dividing line. Okay, the second one, we got 20 by 50. So it has to be 20 by 50. Third one, 40 by 100. 40 by 100. 40 by 100. And then 80 by 200. And the last one, 160 by 400. So here they put M just to show the unit is meter. We also put it here. Okay, let's draw the box now. It should look beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. And now we are giving the finishing of the drawing. Okay. Okay, all done. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.